guys, the White Owl presents to you the Literature Festival and Book Fairs. We are going to find people and we're going to ask them some skincare questions and also some non-skincare questions. And we are going to have some real fun. So let's go. Here, what's your name? Chuchu. Okay, so my question to you is, do you have a skincare routine?
I do. But it's been
You
a
do?
while since I have not been consistent.
Oh, really?
Skincare, yeah.
So what do you use for your routine?
As for now, it's just sunscreen and moisturizer.
How about toner?
Toner, I think it's been like a month since I have not used
Oh, yeah?
toner. Yeah.
And how about sunscreen? Have you applied your sunscreen like right now?
Yep, I have.
And
I
it's
have.
so hot here.
I know it is very much.
So how are you enjoying the festival?
I'm enjoying it well. It's fun, like seeing all these books around. Makes me want to just buy them all.
You have a really beautiful skin, so I'm wondering if you have a skincare routine.
I don't usually do skincare, but just some basic products. This is a daily reminder to myself. I don't forget to use sunscreen. That's a must.
important,
Sunscreen is a must. Then moisturize my skin. That's it.
Oh, that's it. Just sunscreen and moisturizer. Wow.
Yes.
And you look flawless.
Thank you.
Just with just two products, I mean, you are blessed, girl.
Thank you so much. Thanks to your videos, actually.
Video on video.
Skincare routine. Yes, I wash my face. That's it.
But that's actually a good start.
Yeah. Okay.
And do you apply sunscreen? Do you?
No, not as of now. No. Maybe
don't-
maybe in the summer, I guess.
Why do you think you should apply it even on winters? It's very important.
Yeah.
Do you know
But
that?
I feel very lazy, so maybe that because of that.
You don't have to. And do you know that you have to reapply your sunscreen?
Mm, yes, I think I know.
No.
Okay. And do you apply sunscreen?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, thank God. And do you reapply your sunscreen?
No.
You don't even wash your face.
I do. Of course, I do that.
So that is also a skincare routine because
Okay.
you wash your face,
Okay, great.
right?
Yeah,
And you
yeah.
apply your sunscreen. So
Yes.
you have a two-step routine.
Yeah, kind of.
And you said no, you don't have a routine.
kind of.
I just wash my face in the morning and at night before I go to bed.
How about you?
Same goes for me.
Okay. And do you apply sunscreen?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Do you reapply your sunscreen?
No.
No.
Do you know it's very important to reapply your sunscreen?
Yes, yes.
Especially in this humid weather.
Yes.
If your music was to be a skincare product, what would it be?
I think it should be something nourishing, so something to do with moisturizing, and also it should be very overwhelming. I think so. A good sunscreen and certain serums that might help. I don't know which one. Yeah.
You'll know now.
Okay, I'm excited.
So if you were to pick just one skincare product, what would it be and why?
Oh my goodness. I think I will go for sunscreen.
Yeah.
Just because I cannot live without it. Yeah. It's
Alright.
a must. It's a must.
Sunscreen is a must.
Yeah, it's a must.
So if you're to swap one skincare product with each other or any beauty product, what would it be? What do you want from her? A skincare product. Or anything.
I think the body lotion that she uses.
Oh.
And caffeine.
Oh. How about you? What do you want from her?
I don't know because I have a very sensitive skin.
Oh.
So I usually don't change my products.
Ah.
But maybe I'll just try her sunscreen.
Okay. You guys are lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No, I don't use anything.
You don't?
Yeah,
Okay, so do you at least apply your sunscreen?
No, I don't use.
You don't?
Yeah,
Not even a sunscreen?
yeah, not even a sunscreen.
Man, please get him a sunscreen. You need a sunscreen, man. How are you surviving without sunscreen? Please, you have to. Sunscreen, since you're a teacher and you go to school every day working.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Since you
Thank
reapply
you.
your sunscreen and it's too sunny right here, you can reapply your sunscreen.
Thank you
by
so
using
much.
this.
I actually forgot to bring my sunscreen today.
So, girl, this is for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And please apply this.
Okay. Thank you so
It's a
much.
sunscreen.
Oh,
So,
wow.
So if you have a sensitive skin, I would highly recommend you to use
Thank
the sunscreen. And this is a serum for you. BOJ serum.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi you guys, we're still here at the event and it's so fun, like literally so fun. So as you can see, we have a cute stall set up right here, Beauty Bar in India. We also have fun activities like spin the wheel and you get to win a lot and lots of freebies. Also, we have this amazing treatment menu for you guys. Ah! What do you think? It's yellow. Price one! What's price one? Are you happy? Yes. Price one. Whoa, it's a toner pad. It's really nice.
Thank
can
you.
use- So a very simple question for you.
Okay.
After how many hours should you reapply your sunscreen?
After 1 to 2 hours.
Right! You get this! Congratulations! This is for you.
Thank you.
Please follow Beauty Bar in India.
Okay.
Bye-bye! What is the full form of CTM?
Cleanser, toner, and moisturizer, maybe.
Oh, not maybe. That's correct. Yay! You get this. You're welcome. And please follow Beauty Barn.
Okay.
Wow. Actually, I love Beauty Barn products.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do use that. I'm using this, what is it? Cosrx products, which is like, it's very effective on my skin. I think we see the improvement, right?
Yes,
That's what it is.
yes.
Yeah.
Wow,
And
that's
so
nice.
I just like people to use Beauty Barn products and Cosrx products.
That's so
this
many,
is
guys.
it. Yeah. Yes,
Okay, so my question to you is, what is the full form of CTM?
CTM. Okay. I'm very skin conscious person. Okay. So I'll just use it. CTM, right? Cleansing,
Okay.
toning, and moisturize your skin. So always moisturize your skin.
Wow.
Thank you.
And also, one skincare advice you would like to give to the viewers?
See, wherever, anywhere, anytime, to maintain the skin, don't always apply sunscreen, especially in winter. We apply only during, I think, summer,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I apply even on winter also.
It's very important.
Moisturizer, sunscreen. Moisturizer, sunscreen.
It's very
Best,
important. So
yeah.
sunscreen is very important.
Very, very important. And I recently, I think I procured a sunscreen cream from here, Beauty Barn, which is like, I think, hyaluronic products, which is awesome.
yes.
It's very, I think this suits all skin type.
Yeah.
I think which I...
Wow, she's a skincare guru, man.
Thank you.
Wow, so this is for you. There you have it.
Oh, wow.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you for
Thank
being a
you.
really good sport. So after how many hours should you reapply your sunscreen?
Maybe, I guess 1 to 2 hours.
You are correct. I'm gonna give you this.
My name is Song Aror.
Song Aurora.
Song Aror.
Song Aurora.
Yes.
Oh, that's a very unique name.
I know, right?
Where are you from? Dimapur?
I'm actually from Manipur.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
I'm a Tangkhul. A
Oh,
Tangkhul.
that's so nice.
I know.
So how are you finding it here?
Well, I'm loving it.
Yeah?
And as I'm working intern here, it's really fun.
So what is the full form of CTM?
CTM. Okay, okay. Okay. My sister told me about this last time.
Really?
Skincare, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cleanser, toner, moisturizer.
Yes, you're correct.
Actually, you're missing one.
What?
Sunscreen.
Oh yeah, sunscreen is a must.
Yes, exactly. Otherwise, you're going to get scars and you're going to get wrinkles.
Exactly.
And Asian don't reason.
That's a good one. Okay, I'm gonna give you this since you answered. And please follow Beauty Barn India.
Okay, what is
It's
this?
a sunscreen.
Exactly the last one that I was
Yes,
missing.
Yes. So you got that one. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much.
All right, we'll have a really special guest with us here today.
Hi,
Hello.
hi.
You're such an inspiration for all of us.
Thank you.
So thank you for saying yes to us.
Thank
So I have a simple question for you. Do you have a skincare routine?
I do. Yes.
Okay. So any one skincare advice you'd like to give to our viewers?
Wash your face at night. No matter how tired you are, just wash your face at night.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm also gonna give you this. A sunscreen.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
And that's about it. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye.